Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Doge² token. So name of the token is Doge² and ticker symbol is also Doge², and you can see it is Doge with a little tiny 2 at the end of it. But if you're going to their web page where this pre-sale is taking place, you would go to Doge and then squared, all spelled out, SQUARED.com. So Doge².com, that's where this pre-sale is happening right now. And this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it listed on coinsniper.net. And we're going to go over the information on the Doge² token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So at Doge², you can see right there is their Twitter. And then you can see their webpage linked on the Twitter right there. So that'll take you right to the pre-sale there. So that's real easy to find. Doge².com. Now their Twitter just joined October 2024. 70 posts, blue verified checkmark, 646 tweets. So it says, together, we're building a faster, smarter, and more powerful ecosystem. Stay connected and don't miss out on the next big step in crypto evolution. So there was Doge, then there was Shiba Inu, then there was Akita Inu, then there was Floki, and now there is Doge². If you want to follow their Telegram, it is at Doge_squared, and squared is spelled out. 376 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates, new news articles or blogs, token listing announcements, memes, partnerships, you name it. You can find it on their socials, Twitter, Telegram. It says version 1.0.1 is their white paper. The crypto world moves fast, but Doge² moves faster. Built to supercharge Dogecoin with cutting-edge technology. Empowering Dogecoin faster, smarter, and ready for the future with Doge². Doge² is an innovative Layer 2 scaling solution for Dogecoin, designed to address scalability, speed, and cost issues. Now, it's an innovative Layer 2. Now, it says it enhances the utility of the Dogecoin network, initially deploying as a Layer 2 solution on Ethereum. So this token is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Doge² will utilize Ethereum scalability and robust infrastructure to quickly launch and grow before transitioning to a dedicated Layer 2 on Dogecoin. With a bridge enabling cross-chain asset transfers, Doge² aims to be the ultimate enhancer for the Dogecoin ecosystem, providing lower fees, faster transactions, and expanding the use cases of decentralized finance, gaming, and beyond. Now, the problem statement and market opportunity. It says, while Dogecoin has garnered a large base of over 6.9 million holders and boasts a market cap of around $15.9 billion, its current blockchain infrastructure has limitations. Number one is scalability constraints. So Dogecoin's base layer has limited throughput, which is insufficient for high demand applications. Also high fees and delays. So transaction costs can be unpredictable during peak times, making Dogecoin less suitable for microtransactions and dApps. Also limited ecosystem application. So Dogecoin focuses and remains on a P2P transactions with limited presence in DeFi, NFTs, and other dApp ecosystems. So their opportunity, Doge² provides the solution by creating a scalable layer 2 that improves Dogecoin's capabilities, reduces costs, and unlocks a variety of use cases. With its unique bridge between Ethereum and Dogecoin, Doge² can easily integrate with a broader crypto ecosystem while enhancing Dogecoin's own capabilities. So they have here, it says faster transactions, lower fees, achieve over 1,000 transactions per second with low costs. Programmability enables dApps, DeFi, and NFT support on Dogecoin. Interoperability creates a bridge for cross-chain transfers between Ethereum and Dogecoin. And yeah, you can go over the whole technological overview on their white paper if you want to learn more. Tokenomics-wise, 50% of the tokens will be allocated to pre-sale and initial offerings distributed during pre-sale rounds. 20% for development, reserved for building the Layer 2 solution and ongoing technological advancements. 15% of the tokens are allocated to staking rewards, allocated for incentivizing staking, locking up tokens, and supporting network health. And 15% goes to marketing and partnerships used to drive awareness, community growth, and strategic partnerships. So there is going to be buy and burn mechanisms for price appreciation, staking rewards, and governance. So you'll be able to stake your tokens to get rewards, but then also you could vote on proposals and kind of decide which direction you think the project should go. And they have a pretty lengthy roadmap that you can check out on their white paper. They also talk about the use cases like DeFi, NFTs, real-world payments, and microtransactions, staking, governance, all that type of stuff. Now, if you want to get this token here, just go to their webpage, Doge².com, which is right on the Twitter right here. First of all, you would need a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You would fund that wallet with ETH or USDT or even BNB, it says. Then you connect your wallet. You punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how much Doge² you get for that amount. Click buy. After the pre-sale is over, you claim your tokens, but it says you can also buy and stake for rewards, so check that out as well. They also have 2 audits. One of them right here is by CoinSalt. There is a warning on here, so be aware of this. It says trading has to be enabled. So there's a big warning on the one audit here. So just be aware of that audit, or be aware of that one warning. And then they also have a solid proof audit here. Let's check that one out. So for the solid proof audit, it says deployer cannot update new functionalities. And it says ownership is not renounced. So right away there is a big red flag there. Ownership is not renounced. Trading has to be enabled. So definitely be aware of that before investing in this token. There is some warnings on their audits. You can find them on their webpage. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token, about this pre-sale? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.